Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to remove user in Klaviyo. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log in to your account. To remove a user from your Klaviyo account, first log in and navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Account, then go to the Users tab, where you'll see a list of all users with access to your account. Find the user you wish to remove and click the Remove button next to their name. A confirmation prompt will appear, confirm the action, and the user will be removed from your account. Only account owners or admins have the authority to remove users. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $80,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.